Hello, in front of me I've got XIAOMI A27i. In this video I'll show you how to enable and disable HDR. In the beginning, go to display settings of your monitor. Select your monitor and now go to HDR. Switch this button to enable this function. Next, you can go to display settings and switch HDR on or off right here. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.